With COVID-19 cases declining in Latin America and the Caribbean, health experts are warning that there is no room for complacency. Shamela Pullen reports.
After a brutal third wave, the Pan American Health Organization on Wednesday said the COVID-19 infection rate is finally under control.
Over the last week, the region of the Americas reported more than 745 new COVID-19 infections, and just over 18,000 COVID-related deaths. This is the 8th consecutive week that overall cases have declined in the region.
Public health specialist Dr. Alvaston Bailey weighed in on the downward trend.
What you have noticed over the last couple of days is that the daily case rates have dropped precipitously to a fairly low number, and the positivity rate has also fallen, and the number of persons in hospitals have fallen. Now, this is a good sign. It means essentially that the community spread is being significantly reduced and that reproduction number is going down.
He thinks what is being experienced is the calm before the storm.
Based on the existing conditions in terms of vaccine hesitancy, in terms of the level of vaccination, and the indifference of our population to the pandemic, there's no doubt in my mind that we will be experiencing a fourth surge, which will be significantly worse than the third.
When are we expecting this, Dr. Bailey?
I anticipate that by at least the end of December to early January.
PAHO is warning against complacency and continues to stress the need for vaccination. As for Dr. Bailey, he's urging the Ministry of Health to ramp up testing.
And therefore, I would like to invite him to revisit this philosophy of reduced testing and ramp up contact tracing so that we can identify those who are really having the infection and isolate them so that we can control the pandemic. In the absence of regular testing, contact tracing, and isolation, we are essentially operating in the dark.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.